How are you all? I hope you all are good. I'm your LKG teacher, Miss Imani, and I teach in Shamrock Dubcheban School. So, in this video, we are going to learn about animal sound. Okay, let's start.
Animal sounds. Bee. Buzz. A bee makes a buzz sound. Cat. Meow. A cat makes a meow sound. Rooster. Cock-a-doodle-doo. A rooster makes a cock-a-doodle-doo sound. Cow. A cow makes a moo sound. Dog. Dog. Woof. A dog makes a woof sound. Duck. Quack. Quack. A duck makes a quack sound. Lion. Roar. A lion makes a roar sound. Pig. Oink. A pig makes a oink sound. So kids, let's review, okay? Bee. Buzz. Cat. Meow. Rooster. Cock-a-doodle-doo. Cow. Moo. Dog. Woof. Duck. Quack. Lion. Roar. Pig. Oink.
Kids, do more practice at your home. Okay? Till then, take care of yourself. Again, stay home, stay safe. Bye bye.